Hi, it's Matty P. I'm in Shallow Lake, Ontario. Lovely little skate park here. And I'm messing around with the 360 GoPro today, the, what's it called? 360 Max. I'm having an amazing time with this. I shot some paddleboard stuff in the winter with it. I shot some surf type stuff. I've done some skateboarding in a bowl, but I really wanted to see how this camera would hold up on this kind of pump track thing that they have here. There's a few that have popped up around Ontario. They're super fun to ride, and this camera just looks so crazy. I'll show you just kind of how it works, and I highly recommend it. They're not that expensive, maybe around 500 bucks. I'll put an Amazon link below, but it's well worth a try if you're into shooting video. It really opens up a whole bunch of different options. This is the camera here. And yeah, it's essentially got two lenses. And the trick to filming 360 or filming yourself 360 is to have a tripod that is in the middle, straight up and down. You might think you want to shoot sort of like a selfie style, but then you would actually see your tripod in the shot. So if you've ever seen video and it looks like there's a camera flying around, but there's no tripod and it's invisible, that's how. You got to put it directly below. So again, I got this tripod on Amazon. It's a Tilson. It's been pretty damn good. It's got these legs that fold out. You can actually just twist this and set up a little tripod thing too. So they come out like that. Try to do this one-handed. There we go. But yeah, it's just a fantastic toy, and I really want to get some cool footage with this 360 thing. I saw a couple clips on Instagram. One I think is called 80s Disney Prince, somewhere doing skateboard stuff and just ripping around a pump track with an invisible tripod camera floating behind him. And I really want to get that effect. Or there's a hilarious clip of a guy on rollerblades going down the street and getting a car door opened on him and just gets smoked by the door and goes flying into a wall. And it's a pretty hilarious video. I'll try to link those below too. But anyway, I'll show you the pump track. Got my trusty Santa Cruz board. The sun is going down rapidly, and they made the ultimate worst choice. I mean, putting gravel in the middle of this is just the dumbest thing by far, but anyhow, I've cleaned it all off, so hopefully I don't eat it. Look at this thing. It appears to be completely modular, and it's concrete. It does kind of have a grip to it. There's a bit of wear and tear, like it's only been here a few years, but it's still relatively smooth most of the way out. But it is a leg burner. So sun's going down. Let me get to this before we lose all the beautiful light. So I'm gonna extend the camera here just because I want to get a nice long view. Try not to drop it. And yeah, you can do everything in post on the app on the phone. It's just wild. So maybe I'll get that a little longer. All right, here we go. Ready to rock. Wish me luck. Leg burner. See how fast I can get around. Maybe I'll try to get a speed record today. I do have the bone Swiss bearings in, so. Complete leg burner. I'm dead. I was around maybe 4 times. Almost lost it. All right, don't skip leg day. That was intense. I probably had a face of terror that whole time. You get going pretty quick, especially with these Bones Swiss bearings. Anyway, I'm gonna see if I can get one more super speed run in, and then we'll see how it looks. I hope you enjoyed that really quick video. Turned out pretty cool, I think. Maybe not quite as good as 80s Disney prints, but hey, there's a bunch more different pump tracks around the province that I want to go try. So anyway, if you enjoyed the video, please do comment below. If you got any tips for me, comment below. My main recommendation with these 360 cameras is to just use the editing software in the phone. Being a video guy, I want to get the footage into my computer, and then you have to convert it from a 360 file into an Apple ProRes, which is this ridiculously huge file, very cumbersome to work with, and my graphics card couldn't even handle it. I actually had to buy an external graphics card to mess with it on the computer. Anyway, we're getting into some video nerd stuff, but if you just keep it on the phone and edit in the GoPro Quick app, you can do the same thing, and for these short clips, it works really perfectly. You just mark off where the keyframes are, where you want things to move around, how you want the camera to be, and it's a way easier workflow. So if you're not a pro video person and just want to mess with it, I still highly recommend it. Maybe I'll do a tutorial on that one day if anyone's interested. I've got a pretty good handle on how to do it on the phone. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'm just gonna enjoy the sunset, which looks kind of strange because we're having a lot of forest fires up here. But anyway, bless up, thanks for watching.